Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Okay, for the disk, the string tension gives torque tau equals F sub t times R. Two FT/MR. B. Both pulleys have the same applied torque. Tau equals Fa times R. Acting over the same time delta t, they get the same angular impulse, so the same change in angular momentum. Delta L equals tau delta t equals Fa times R delta t. Their inertias differ. I disk equals 1/2 mr squared. I hoop equals mr squared. Since alpha equals tau over I, the disk's smaller inertia gives it larger angular acceleration, and thus larger final angular velocity. D, with K equals 1/2 I omega squared equals L squared over 2I. The same final angular momentum means the smaller I disk gains more rotational kinetic energy than the hoop. Equivalently, it spins faster, pulls more string, and the applied force does more work. Great job working through that. Remember to check each step and watch for sign errors. Practice more with Sophie to master this topic.